Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to make a website for your restaurant really fast and easy using Mighty Sites. So if you just need a simple professional website for your business, for your restaurant specifically, this is definitely the place to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is just look for the restaurant templates. So depending on what type of restaurant you have, there are all types of different templates in here and more being added all the time for your specific restaurant. So I'm just going to go in here and I'm just going to select the basic generic restaurant theme. But if you see your specific type in here, please go ahead and do that because you'll have images and text already pre-written for you for those templates that are specific to your style of restaurant. And again, keep checking back because new ones are added all the time. But if you don't see it, the generic restaurant template works really great as well. So I'm just going to select that. Then I'm going to add in here Keegan's Restaurant. And then I'll put in Denver, Colorado. And then the type of business, again, Mighty Sites works for all types of local businesses. I'm just going to put in here restaurant, and then I'm going to click continue. Next, it's going to prompt me to ask for my phone number. So I'm going to type in my phone number right here. And then I can add my email if I want to. So I'll go ahead and enter my email address so customers can contact me by email if they have a question, and then click continue. And then of course you want your address, so I'll just put in address here. It already populates Denver, Colorado, so then the last thing I'll just put in zip code and click continue. And now it's going to ask me for my hours. So let's just say that my restaurant is open from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. on Mondays, and then I can just select Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If my restaurant's open the same hours on those days, click continue. Now it'll ask me for Friday. So let's just say I open at 10 a.m., but on Fridays I stay up open a little later. I stay open until 10 p.m. and that's the same on Saturday. Continue, and then let's just pretend we're closed on Sundays. I'll click closed. Now my hours are there, my contact information for my business. I can click on looks good next. And just like that, Mighty Sites is actually going to quickly and easily deploy a restaurant template for me. So now it's just a matter of making edits to the template, which is really, really simple and easy to do. So as you can see, now I have a simple professional website and I can do things quickly and easily like change colors. So let's just say blue, a lighter blue makes sense for me. Let's say more of this earthy tone makes sense for my business, or a lighter green. You can see if I scroll through here, there are all types of different color palettes and templates. So again, I can start to customize the look of the website depending on which style really fits my website, and which fits my brand. So I'll just do this all white one for now, so because I think that looks pretty sharp. And now the thing that I can do is I can start updating each section really quickly and easily. So let's just say I want to add my social media links. I simply go in and I copy and paste in the link to my social media sites. So I'll just type in the Mighty Sites USA, click save. And then if I just update the section here, so you can see that my social media now shows up. So I've now got the Twitter icon there. Now if I put in, let's just say facebook.com/Mighty Sites and then click save. Now both my Facebook and my Twitter are there in the head navigation. So again, coming together really quickly and easily. Now, if I want to add more menu items, I can go in here and I can update my menu and I can add another link to somewhere else on my website, or I can link to another website. I can upload the PDF. I can have it be an action to click on directions or call. It's really easy to add menu items and just save that. I can also add a logo. So if I have a business logo, I can upload it here. And if you don't have a business logo, I just give you a quick tip to go over to canva.com. It's really easy to create a logo, and you can go right in here, select logo, and then it's going to give you all types of different templates. So I'm just going to search for a restaurant. So there's a bunch of good options here. I'll just go with this one for now. Good taste, food and beverage, and then I can customize this to my liking. So I'll just say Keegan's Restaurant logo 1, and then I'll download that. And again, most of it's free to do, so if you don't have a logo, you can really quickly and easily create one for your business. So I'll just download this logo and I'll jump back over to Mighty Sites. Now I can just upload it from my computer. So that was really simple and easy. And all of a sudden it's fully loaded. Great. Now I just save it, and then I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller, and everything else on the site will adjust. Now you can see there's a lot of space around the logo, and this is where these editing tools come in really handy. So if I actually click right here on the pencil, now I've got all these cropping and filtering and framing, all these editing tools built right in. And this is for any image or logo that I add to the site. So it makes it really easy when I'm trying to make a restaurant website to go in and edit any of the images or text that I want to. So I can I'll go in here. Let's kind of get rid of this white space around my new logo. So I'm just going to go in here and crop this. It's very easy to do, and then click done. And once that's done, now I can click save, and you'll see that all of a sudden it got rid of that extra space. So now I can make it bigger or make it smaller without having all that extra space around it. So now I think that looks pretty good so far. So I've got contact information, I've got my logo, my menu items. Now, delicious food and a fun atmosphere, you can customize any of this. It's really easy. It's just a point and click editor. So this is how you edit the restaurant website template, right? So it's really easy to make edits as you're making a website for your restaurant. And the call to action button, you can have that do many different things. So if you do offer order online, you may just want to link to it. So let's just say you offer order online through Toast. I'll just go to Toast for restaurants. That's a popular one. Let's just say that you have a Toast URL. Obviously, this is not yours, but you'll know what yours is if you have one. Or if it's DoorDash or Uber Eats or whatever it is, you can just link here and go link to another website, type in your link, click save, and now this button will actually link to ordering online, wherever that exists for you. So that's really simple and easy to get integrated into your site. But again, if you want that to do something else, you can make it, call for directions or, give us a call, and then you can just link it as appropriate to whatever action you want the user to take on your website. The other thing is get directions. That'll be the next call to action. Obviously, a lot of people will want to drive to your restaurant. That's the whole goal here. So if I click on get directions, it will actually open up in Google Maps with directions to your restaurant. So that's really great. And again, you can update images just by browsing and uploading whatever images. So I do encourage you, these images are licensed for you to use, but I do encourage you to add pictures of your restaurant too, so people can really get a feel for what it looks like in your environment. And then the next section, of course, you want your menu. Right here, best way to do this is just to upload a PDF usually. So if you have a PDF of your menu, it's the same one you can use for your QR code to direct it to this URL. But let's just see if I have a menu on my site. Yeah, I do have a menu here. Looks like this one. Let me open that up. I think that was the PDF of the menu. That was actually the one that I had to edit. So let me check again. Let's see. I know that I downloaded a menu here at one point. Let's see if I can find it. If not, we'll just find another PDF. Maybe it's under documents. Let's see. Here we go. So let me just upload this menu. Great, it'll just take a second, and then I just confirm that's uploaded, and then view our menu, work, save, close. So now if I actually click on this link, now it'll take me, you can see here, this was for an Asian restaurant that I was doing a website for. You can see that here's the restaurant for the business, or here's the menu. So again, that lives right there. Same thing, if someone clicks on menu, it's gonna take them right here so they can open up the menu link. So really simple and easy to do. Again, you can edit any of this text or any of these images really easily. Use the editing tools to customize it. But as you can see, we're pretty well done. So now I've got a website for my restaurant. It's got my logo, my contact information. It's got the link to ordering online. It's got the link to get directions, and it's got the menu, my menu PDF as well. Last thing you may want to do is just add your connect your domain. So you can just go to the admin section that you have here, go to connect your domain, paste in your domain from Google Domains, GoDaddy, or wherever you have your domain set up, and then it just walks you through a really simple wizard to get your domain connected for your business too. So Just like that, you can really have a website, simple professional website for your restaurant, done in just a matter of minutes. And then you can use that to market your business, connect it to your Google business profile, connect it to Yelp, all those places, so that people can order online, get directions, or check out your menu. And it's a great tool for marketing your restaurant. So that's how you make a website for a restaurant really fast, easy, and simple using Mighty Sites. So best of luck.